So, Christoph Behling, how do you see the bathroom trends in the future?
Well, trend is a tricky word. If you talk in trends in terms of colors and material, like the kind of word trend we know from fashion, then we have to ask ourselves, how does it really apply to the bathroom? Because the trend in fashion is a wonderful thing. We can change our skin in fashion. We can wear one summer it's emerald green, the next summer it's apricot color, and it's great and it's fantastic and it's joyful. But that's quite easy because these are clothes, and clothes get holes and they only last 1 year anyhow, or maybe 2, maybe 3 if you're very careful. But the bathroom is something different.
Yes.
It's a very complicated thing to install, and most likely, and if you look at how long people live with the bathrooms, we're not talking years, we're even talking decades. So to follow a trend is difficult. But the question is, what do you replace it with, and how can you sort of make the bathroom better? And the reality is there's lots of things you can make better with the bathroom, because the bathrooms, how it works for us as people, hasn't really evolved.
Yes.
It hasn't really evolved in terms of how it functions. You look at the toilets, I mean, without being graphics, toilets are still awkward objects. They still smell when you use them, which they don't need to, because there are now technologies which can take the odor completely away. They're still very loud when you flush them, so you wake up your baby when it's sleeping, which they don't need to, because there's now technologies at Geberit which are quiet. And they lose a lot of water to clean it, sort of, which they don't need to, because now you have toilets which can clean with very little water perfectly, so you don't need the brush anymore. So I think sometimes bathroom trends, it's all wonderful, but I think we also have to look at this kind of object, what it means for us, and how long do we live in it, and what does this relationship with this product actually mean for us over the years.
Yes.
Is the trend color more important? It's now bronze or whatever. Or is it more like that the product actually creates a service for me which sort of puts a smile on my face for many years to come?
Okay, thank you, Christoph.